Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I received some happy mail today. This is my August 2020 Love From Lizi card kit. So let me just do a quick unboxing and show you everything that's included and also the add-ons that I received. I'll go ahead and start with the larger bag. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's a light blue, there's a white, and the white is alcohol marker friendly. There's a gray, there's this light purplish pink color, and then a nice green. There is a sheet of 12 by 12 paper that has cut-aparts, but it has already been cut in half. So there's all of these journaling cards on one side, and if you flip it over, there's these fun images and sentiments on the other side. So you could easily trim these out and add them to your card or project. And the cut-aparts are all 3 by 4 inches in size, so they'll fit nicely on a card or also in the pocket pages for scrapbooking. So moving on to this 6 by 6 pattern paper, there are 16 sheets of single-sided papers and lots of beautiful designs. So there's some florals, there's a sheet with sentiments that you could cut out. There's this nice yellow gingham, some fun paper with little bicycles. This sheet has a row of little flowers. There is a sheet of cut-aparts that has images and sentiments. And then there's the same sheet in the smaller 6 by 6 that we receive in the 12 by 12. And then just a couple final papers. I love this one with the maps and all the bicycles. And then you'll also receive a sheet of puffy stickers. There's lots of icons and sentiments on there, and they match perfectly with the pattern papers. Next is the stamp set that's included, and this one has lots of sentiments and also some tiny blooms and little laurels. There's even a couple little hearts. So the sentiments are: enjoy the little things, live in the moment, one of a kind, just be you, hello there. And then on the side, it's make the most of today and happiness blooms from within. So really lovely sentiments. And this month there is a second stamp set. So it's a small background stamp that has little triangles all over it. So that'll be really fun to use. The peel-offs this month are the mauve moon dust color in the mini heart design. So this is one of Lizi's brand new peel-off designs that she introduced last month, and now she has it in this beautiful color. There are 3 different sizes of the heart stickers, so on one sheet you end up with hundreds of them. And this month we have another shimmer powder. This is by Nuvo, and the color is Lunar Rocket. So it's this lovely gray that has some pink and greens mixed within. There are 5 colors of skinny ribbons, and there's 1 meter of each color. So there's a green, a burgundy, a light blue, a light purple, and also a gray. I love when Lizi includes the skinny ribbons since I use them all the time. Next up are the dies that are included in the kit, and this month is a full alphabet set. This is all uppercase, and each of the letters are just under an inch tall. These will be perfect for making your own sentiments on the card. And then next is the sample bag of the sequin mix. And you can always purchase a full bag as an add-on if you really like to have a lot of sequins. And then moving on to the final item that's included in the kit is all of the ephemera. So I'm just trying to get it out of the bag. There are lots of images, lots of sentiments. Some of these will work perfect for planners or scrapbooks. There really is a very nice variety. So I'm just going through these really quickly so you can have an idea of everything that's included. The cute pink camera is definitely my favorite of all the ephemera. I love little camera icons. So that is everything that is included in the August 2020 Love From Lizi card kit. Now I did pick up a few add-ons. The first add-on is one of the peel-off bundles. This is the pinstripe peel-off bundle. There is mauve, gold, denim blue, and also racing car green. So these are all in the pinstripe style. And then there's the second bundle. This is the variety bundle. There are 4 different sheets. The first is the teal in the mini circles. There's silver glitter in pinstripe. There's clear iridescent pink glitter in straight. And then there's the soft lilac in the pinstripe. So 2 different bundles. These are always a really good value. And then next there is an add-on stamp set. This is called Stripes and Borders. And this looks like so much fun. It's a very large stamp set. So you'll be able to use these all the way across a standard A2 size card since it's about 5.5 inches. And then the widest width on one of the stripes is 1 inch. I think this will be really fun to use instead of pattern paper. And then the final add-on item that I have is the Pearlescent cardstock bundle. So there are 5 sheets. One is a silver mirror cardstock and the other 4 are all pearlescent paper. I love having the specialty paper. They add such a lovely touch to the cards. There are lots of other add-ons available, and I will provide links for the kit along with those add-ons in the description box below. Now here's just another look at the August 2020 Love From Lizi card kit. This is a monthly card kit and they sell out every single month. So if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up for the monthly subscription. I will have links provided in the description box where you can subscribe, or if you would rather just purchase the kit individually. And coming soon, I will be sharing my 10 cards using this beautiful kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.